Hello, my friends. Mr. Mike here, and today we're reading a Nick Jr. Dora the Explorer phonics reading program book called Home Sweet Home. Well, hello, Dora. Hello, Diego. Hello, Boots. Let's begin. Home Sweet Home. Hello, Mama. Hello, Papa. In this story, you'll learn all about possessives. Here are some words to sound out: bears, daddies, animals, snakes, boas, and trees. These are words that you will see in the story and many other stories. You will want to go back to learn them as well. Our, go, look, for, him. These are some new challenging words that you'll see in the story. Rescue, hire, center, howler, something, tricky. Yeah, tricky is always a challenging word, isn't it? Home sweet home. Diego has lots of animals at the rescue animal center. Now he needs our help to bring them back home. Will you help us too? Let's go. All right. Here we are at the baby bear's home. Diego said to look up high to find the baby bear's daddy. Do you see something up high? Hmm. Oh, there we go. I think we see him. Good job. That was the baby bear's daddy's nose. That tree branch is a baby bear's home. Look, his daddy has the baby bear's dinner ready for him. Yum. Oh, Daddy Bear brought him some berries. That was nice of you, Daddy Bear. Do you see an animal's home in this tree? Hmm. Oh, there we have it right there. There's an animal's tail. Whose tail is it? It is a snake's tail. This tree is the green tree boa's home. The green tree boa's mommy is happy to see him. Now look up in the trees and the higher branches. Do you see another animal's mommy? Oh, the snakes are hugging. There we go. I think I see another tail. I see her. That is a Howler Monkey's mommy. The baby Howler's monkey is swinging home. Now we only have one animal left. It is a tree frog. Where do you think the home is? Well, since it's a tree frog, it probably lives in a tree, right? All right. This is tricky, Diego says. That the tree frog's daddy blends into the forest. Do you see the tree frog's daddy? Look at Boots. He's really thinking about it, isn't he? Dora sees something. Diego sees something. Do you see something? Aha. There he is. The tree frog's home is under that leaf. Now all the animals are home, sweet home. Just like the animals now. I'm home, sweet home too. Aw. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye, Dora. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.